party people. Hey, I got a very good trick that's cheap and very effective when you want to eliminate bad toxins in your gut. Now, I would have to explain a whole lot of anatomy for you to truly understand what this process is, and I'm not going to do all that. So I'm going to keep it kind of simple for you guys. So what I like to do is I like to get small bottles of Coca-Cola. You can get the big one, I mean, it's up to you, but I like to get the small ones because I like to be able to have my family use it as well. So my daughter can drink one of these, you know, and small. You can get them anywhere. All right, or if it's just you, get the whole one, whatever you want to do. Point is, you need at least 2 of them to drink. It took me 2 in order to make it work. Normally, that's about it, 2 or 3, and it'll get going. So, Coca-Cola, guys, is not a beverage to use for your pleasure. This is a chemical that is safe to drink. The element that keeps this product safe is an element that's not inside of the bottle. The element that makes it safe for you to drink is cold, refrigeration. So once Coca-Cola hits ice or refrigeration, the potency of it drops down considerably, right? So what you do is keep it room temperature, and it is at the most potent that you can have it. Room temperature. You buy it from the store, you just bring it to the house and leave it there. You do not drink this for fun. This is not for fun, this is not for pleasure at all. You can take this bottle and you can put it down your plumbing in your house and it will clean it. If it can do that, it's not for you to drink, especially not on a regular basis. Now, everyone in life should have different times of the year where you're going to purge, meaning you're going to clean out your body. You have to understand things that are for building yourself up and things that are for tearing yourself down for the benefit of being able to build yourself up. A lot of you have too much fat, poop, and bugs in your stomach because of the trash that you're eating. So what you do, you get up that day, you have an empty stomach, and you fill your stomach up with Coca-Cola, right? After you fill your stomach up with the Coca-Cola, all you have to do is sit. Do not eat anything, just let it sit in your stomach. Trust me, in a little while, your stomach will make a whole lot of noise. It's gonna speak French to you. And you need to stay by a toilet because you're gonna poop, for sure. What happens is once this chemical goes into your body, all the bugs in your stomach, all the bad toxins inside, they love this stuff. They're attracted to it. So they say, "Ooh, what is this?" And they drink all of this and they die almost instantly. And what happens is they die in such a huge rate, and then your body pumps it through your system, through your liver, through your intestines, you know, just the basic flow that it normally takes. And the whole time it's just eliminating, demolishing them all. Wow, 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 wow. And then what happens is you take a massive poop, blah of blackness. And you feel better. So what made me decide to use this is because you know how you have that stomach cramp deep down in your gut and it feels like you're hungry, but you're not. It's just like a constant pain. I couldn't get rid of it. I couldn't shake it. I took me 2 of these, gone. Totally gone. This, people, is the answer to ailments in your stomach. You do not drink this for fun. This is not going to build you up. This is supposed to tear you down. Put this away from your children up high and only give this to them when they have eating a lot of bad things, or you see their gut starting to poke out too far, take this. A lot of times you women like to use a lot of those teas and things, which are good, but this is cheaper and this is very effective, and you want to kill things. You don't want anything foreign to survive in your body. You need it out of there. You need this. So again, guys, like, share, subscribe. I just want to drop jewels that's going to help you from natural healing. Sometimes you just got to do what you got to do, man. And I will give another one on alkaline water, because alkaline water is a part of this. That's not something you drink, but that'll be for another video. Like, share, subscribe. I love you guys. See you next time. Peace.